Good morning. I'm Vicki Jones. Today we'll be talking about childhood obesity, and I'll be your facilitator today. First, we're going to start off by talking about the purpose of the presentation. We're going to talk about building awareness of childhood obesity. We're going to talk about issues and the reality of childhood obesity. We're going to talk about the definition. We will go ahead and read this slide. It is a condition where excessive body fats negatively affects a child's health or well-being. It's a method to determine body fat directly or difficulty. The diagnosis of obesity is often based on your BMI, your body mass index. 1963, 1 out of 3 American kids, teenagers, was overweight or obese, and it nearly tripled today. Some of the health problems you see with children that's facing obesity is high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and high blood cholesterol levels. They also go through psychological effects. They have low self-esteem, negative body fat, and image, and then also depression. We're talking about the goals and objectives. We want to increase the knowledge and the ability, talking about the background of childhood obesities and various causes of weight gain of obesity. Your knowledge, so you can have an effective and identify what childhood obesity, what it means about prevention, what you can do to prevent childhood obesity, but you got to have the knowledge first. The application to have an effective technique and the rules and different ways to prevent obesity. Students will be able to combine, you'll be able to combine the pattern of proposing the alternative solution to produce a unique communication. Also, to promote physical activities can produce long-term health benefits. We're going to talk about we're going to do an exercise a little later on in the presentation, and it's a fun exercise. So we're going to talk about physical activity and how we need to do it regular. Being able to identify motives and the causes of eating healthy, making good judgment. I know myself, a lot of times when I go to work, I be sitting there hungry and I'm like, I need to take something healthy. But instead of taking something healthy, I make the decision to go to McDonald's. Is that a healthy class? Do y'all think McDonald's is healthy? Well, they do have healthy choices, but when I get through the drive-thru, my mind be on healthy choices, but I end up ordering a high-fat hamburger with some French fries and a Coke. So do y'all think that's healthy? No, it's not. I agree. So let's talk about some of the childhood obesity facts. 3.9 U.S. restricts sugar drinks in childhood centers and family care homes. 64.7 middle and high school offer sugar drinks as a competitive food. And in the middle schools, 54.1. In high school, they offer less healthy food as a competitive food. During the last 20 years, there's been a dramatic increase in obesity in the United States, and the rates still remain high. Over 12.5 million of children and adolescents aged 2 to 19 are obese. Why do y'all think people are still obese? We talked about McDonald's making unhealthy choices, using bad judgment. Do y'all think that have something to do with it? So a little later on, I'm going to ask you for feedback. So keep that in mind, okay? Let's do an activity. Our first activity, we have two activities. The first one is we're going to divide up into two teams. And we're going to play musical chairs. How many of y'all like musical chairs? Okay, so we got a set of chairs over here and a set of chairs over here. Now, using the Howard Gardner intelligence, we're going to use some of these intelligence because you're going to use visual, natural, linguistics, and you're going to use these intelligence, and they will help you with this activity. So as you, when the music starts, you're going to go around the chairs really fast. And when the music stops, I want you to be seated. And the last one standing is out. Okay, some of the materials we need is chairs, DVD players, paper, and pens, because we need somebody to keep score. This activity will be we're going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to do this activity.